Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix content upload errors on Patreon in 2026. So if your video, image, or post is failing to upload, stuck processing, or just not going through, don't worry, we'll fix it step by step. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Slow or unstable Wi-Fi is one of the most common reasons uploads fail or get stuck halfway. Next, refresh the page and try uploading again. Sometimes it's just a temporary glitch, and a simple refresh fixes it instantly. Now check your file size and format. Large videos or unsupported file types can cause upload errors. Try compressing your file or converting it to a supported format like MP4 or JPG. If the problem continues, clear your browser cache. Old or corrupted data can interfere with uploads without you even realizing it. Next, switch to another browser or device. Sometimes upload errors are caused by browser compatibility issues. If you're using extensions or ad blockers, try disabling them. These tools can sometimes block parts of the upload process, and if nothing works, reach out to Patreon support. Include screenshots of the error so they can quickly understand what's happening, and that's it. Most upload errors on Patreon are caused by connection issues, file limits, or browser glitches, and they're usually easy to fix. Hey everyone,